Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 2018 230 SLX. This boat comes on a tandem axle trailer. Nice 23-foot boat. Here at the back we have a drop-down swim platform, which is nice to be able to sit on the back and enjoy a beverage in the water. We have two Fusion speakers in the rear, backed by this nice bench. Have a nice walk through to the side so you're never stepping foot on the upholstery. A nice wraparound bench here in the back with a seat here that flips forward or backwards so you can enjoy watching people ski or tube. Here at the helm we have a nice comfortable chair with a flip-up bolster. Really nice dash with all the essentials. This boat is powered by a Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. Again, Fusion speakers throughout the boat in the bow. There's plenty of room. There's plenty of cup holders. The flooring is Infinity woven flooring. It's nice snap-out flooring, quick and easy to dry. Got an onboard battery charger, a plug-in, and a place to put a table. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or any one of our other boats in our show floor today.